market speculation, regulatory developments, and macroeconomy. Price has become inflated and may be due for a correction, could potentially see a reversal in price. Increase may start to take profits, market conditions can change rapidly, and what appears to be overbought today may not be the case tomorrow. Investment company analysts predict changes in the cryptocurrency industry depending on the outcome of the US presidential election. Market analysis: each asset is a real working project. Imminent entry on regulating the cryptocurrency industry in the European Union. The world's largest investment company with a portfolio of $10 trillion will launch a fund on the ETH blockchain. A Ministry of Energy proposed to limit the consumption of electricity by cryptocurrency miners. An administration is making difficult for banks and brokers to work with cryptocurrencies, and a change in the country's leadership will have a beneficial effect on the industry. The cryptocurrency community often criticizes the lack of a clear regulatory framework for regulating crypto assets. Central bank cannot prohibit the circulation of cryptocurrencies. The solution is the regulation. Largest investment banks in the world is not changing its view on cryptocurrencies about democratization of finance. World's largest investment company said assets are the technological revolution. The capitalization of the first cryptocurrency is $1.3 trillion and rate $66,071. Spot trading volume on cryptocurrency exchanges reached $2.5 trillion in March. The largest cryptocurrency ended Q1 with a 64% increase, marking its third best quarterly performance in the last 3 years. US BTC ETFs currently hold 4.25% of the total circulating Bitcoin supply. Large bank recently contacted a firm to buy Bitcoin directly from the miner. World's largest investment company has added 4 banks to its list of authorized participants, APs, for its spot BTC ETF share, IBAT. Participants play a crucial role in the creation and redemption, facilitating the process by transferring. The richest people in the cryptocurrency industry increased their capital to $93 billion. Miners of the largest cryptocurrency earned record $2 billion before halving. The volatility spread between the largest cryptocurrency and the second largest cryptocurrency has become positive for the first time in a long time. In 2027, EU plans to limit cash transactions to €10,000 to combat money laundering. Any payments exceeding this amount must be made through a bank account, affect not only businesses, but also private individuals. BRICS controls. Oil, 45% of the world's reserves. Gas, 56% of the world's reserves. Enriched uranium, 2/3 of global production. Chinese rank electric automaker, Lixiang, NIO, Zeekr, Lotus, Avitre, Ato, and Xiaomi. Big money now is on BTC. Current cost of mining 1 BTC is about $40,000. At the same time, the average cost of mining 1 BTC is $49,902. Growth of the second cryptocurrency is associated with the market's anticipation of the approval of spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Approximately 1.875 million BTC, 9.5% of the coins in circulation, were purchased at prices above $60,000. Large number of new investors have entered the market. After reaching a historical high this year, only 2 corrections of 10% for the first cryptocurrency. The volume of spot trading is growing. Spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US have reportedly surpassed $200 billion in cumulative trading volume, reaching $201.7 billion. Crypto.m has received full operational approval from Dubai's Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority, marking its first launch in the region exclusively for institutional investors. High demand for the use of borrowed funds. Exchange-traded fund for ETH being soon approved. Asterisk BTC, ETH, and USDD dominate, making up 74% of the market by capitalization. Asterisk Generation Z and millennials favoring invest cryptocurrencies over stocks, and millennials seek financial advice on social media. Asterisk housing cost pressures would diminish, allowing for core inflation to slow. The approval of spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs in Hong Kong is an important event in the context of structural changes taking place in the cryptocurrency market. The fifth largest Bitcoin address moved 94,504 Bitcoins worth about $6 billion to three new addresses. The total investment in these ETFs could reach $500 million. Expect an influx of capital into Hong Kong exchange traded funds at $25 billion, including from funds from Chinese investors. Perpetual futures contracts, perpetual futures or perpetual swaps, have become a popular trading instrument and are now present on almost all major crypto exchanges. Perpetual futures example: a trader wants to open a long position, buy an asset, long, in Bitcoin worth $100,000, but only has $1,000 in his trading account. He can use 100x leverage to increase the size of the trade. The trader will profit from the position in the amount of $100,000. But if the price falls by even 1%, his trading balance of $1,000 will be completely wiped out when the position is liquidated, that is, forcibly closed by the exchange. Bank Goldman Sachs wrote, historical highs is different in each case. FRS inflation keeping its key rate above 5%. Volume of funds raised by crypto projects increased, reaching $1.03 billion in March. $2.3 billion was raised in the first quarter. Number of funding increased from 122 in January to 167 in March. Token distribution has become an integral part of the cryptocurrency market. Hong Kong is following the lead of the US by leveraging its strategic location and favorable regulatory environment. The ETC price will also be affected by geopolitical tensions caused by the conflict in the Middle East.